So what I did to create this net was I first drew a net for each shape, for the cube, for the cuboid, for the cone, for the tetrahedron, and for the triangular prism. And then I opened the hole in every corner of the shape, every corner of the shape, every corner of the shape. Same applies to the cuboid and the triangular prism, using the measurement of 4. This was 4. This is 4 centimeter here, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So I used the hole. So I used this so that it can close like this. That's what I did. And then same applies to this one. Same applies to the cone. If I can close it like this, and same applies to this one. So that's what I did. And the triangular prism is, that's what I did. And the skills is that I managed to be a problem solver, a critical thinker, and then I gained some motor skills and hand skills, using my hand to solve this, to create this.